Hello friends, this is Priyanka, your English trainer. Welcome to the Daily English Vocabulary Dose 13. So these are our today's vocabulary words. In the end, I'll ask a question. Give me answer of that question in comment box. The first word that I have for you is emaciated. Friends, emaciated means thin or weak because of illness or a lack of food. In Hindi it is dubla patla. Its sentence is, there were pictures of emaciated children on the cover of magazine. Its synonym is skinny. So moving to our next word, which is loquacious. Repeat after me, loquacious. Loquacious means extremely talkative. Its Hindi meaning is batuni. Now moving to its sentence is, Rita is loquacious. Its synonym is garrulous. Now look at the next word, ominous. Friends, ominous means inauspicious. Its Hindi meaning is ashubh. Now moving to its sentence is, there were ominous dark clouds gathering overhead. Its synonym is sinister. The next word is Prozac. Repeat after me, Prozac. Prozac means dull and boring, or you can say common. Now moving to its sentence is, my diary entries are filled with Prozac happenings. Its synonym is tedious. The next word that I have for you is querulous. Querulous means habitually complaining. Its Hindi meaning is shikayat karne wala. Now its sentence is, her tone was querulous. Its synonym is petulant. The next word that I have for you is spasmodic. Friends, spasmodic means irregular. Its Hindi meaning is aniyamit. Now moving to its sentence, it is useless to make these spasmodic efforts. Now its synonym, fitful. The next word is sumptuous. Repeat after me, sumptuous. It means splendid and expensive. Its Hindi meaning is shandar or alishan. Now its sentence, his palace was more sumptuous than the temples of gods. Its synonym is lavish. Moving to our next word, somber. Friends, somber means convey a feeling of deep sadness. Its Hindi meaning is nirashajanak. Now its sentence, he looked at her with a somber expression. Its synonym is depressed or gloomy. Moving to our next word, eccentric. Repeat after me, eccentric. Eccentric means strange. In Hindi you can say ajeeb ya fir sanki. Now its sentence, he noted his eccentric appearance. Its synonym is queer. Last but not least is winsome. Friends, winsome means attractive or appealing in a fresh and innocent way. In Hindi you can say man ko harne wala. Its sentence is, she has winsome smile. Now its synonym, captivating. Now it's time for the question of the day. What is the synonym of skinny? A. Sumptuous, B. Lavish, C. Ominous, D. Emaciated. You have to answer this question in comment box.